Pekin Insurance was on an old system that hadn't been updated in 20, 30 years. We made the decision to go with Guidewire because we thought that they'd give us the ability to impact both claims, billing, and our product line. As we were working on the Guidewire project, which we've named Pivot, Pekin Insurance Virtual Overall Transformation, we recognized that the Guidewire platform gave us the ability to easily implement predictive modeling. We were excited with the fact that it sat outside of the core system so that when you had to do a change, you didn't have to reprogram or had concerns about whether or not what you were doing to the core system would have an impact on your predictive modeling.
The insurance industry, especially for smaller regional carriers like we are, is extremely competitive. And to keep up with that, Guidewire has helped us have state-of-the-art software that we can have that only was typically given to the much larger carriers. The competition in rates, especially in personal lines, is tremendous. My last point is really with personal auto, that was the other thing we wanted to really get in quick, because every carrier a few years ago was having trouble with their profitability in auto. You couldn't get a good model. So we had to add an auto predictive model in there, and we were able to do that with Guidewire, which we failed miserably to do that in the mainframes.
Our speed to market for our product was not there. We are losing our edge day by day on speed to market. And the second aspect was insurance is a business of data, risk analysis, and pricing. And our auto insurance business was suffering a pretty big loss because of lack of proper tools and analytics, primarily for our risk analysis and pricing. We were very successful just right out of the gate with our auto predictive model in Guidewire. We turned around our loss ratio the first year by almost 15 to 20%. And since then, we have been pretty successful to keep that loss ratio at a level that has been, since we started this, to be around 10 to 15% below. So our goal of achieving pricing, model-driven pricing for auto to manage the loss ratio really worked.